Neoplasia means any new growth of the entire body head to toe. The term neoplasia means new growth and also called neoplasm or tumor. The branch of science dealing with this study is called oncology. What is neoplastic cell? Neoplastic cell is a such cell in which the cell division is not a physiological control, the growth is exudate and incoordinated. Such cell is known as neoplastic cell. What is the cause of neoplasia? In the cell, absence of growth factors stimulate the cell divide by mitosis and abnormal growth of any organ in human body. What is the component of inside any neoplastic cell? First component is parenchyma and second component is supportive stroma. Stroma cell, which include the background, provide framework of tumor cell growth. These cells include blood vessel, nerves and fibers. Let's know about the classification nomenclature of tumors. Tumors are divided into two parts. Number 1, benign tumors, and number 2, malignant tumors. A benign tumor is an abnormal but non-cancerous collection of cells, also called a benign tumors neoplasm. All benign tumors end suffix -omer, example fibroma, chondroma, osteoma, adenoma, like that. Malignant tumors are cancerous and can spread cancer cells throughout one's body through the blood or lymphatic system. Malignant tumors has two suffix, number 1 carcinoma and number 2 sarcoma. Carcinoma is epithelial, malignant tumors and sarcoma is missing